Hello, in this video I will show you a few methods to find if your Casio digital watch is fake or original. The first method, which you can find in most of the videos on YouTube, is by pressing all the three buttons together. But unfortunately this method works for both my original and fake watch. The second method, which is more reliable, is press and hold the right button for a few seconds and you should have Casio written on the screen. This will not work on my fake watch. Thirdly, as you can see, the reflection on the screen is not the same. The screen on the original watch is more cleaner than the fake one. Another difference is the LED light is more scattered on the fake watch. Although this is not a big difference, but the button beep sounds are not the same. Finally, as you can see, the quality and details on both watches are not the same. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.